Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am making a boxed envelope style something for my card for my entry to wandy'ssweets 50th birthday challenge giveaway, and the requirement is a birthday or a card. Create a card for her, and you basically send her your card, and she hints like she loves pink. Okay, so we got pink. Anyway, you create a card, and instead of like a memory deck sending her your information, she wants your information inside her card, and this is what she will use to reference back to you, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I'm making the boxed envelopes thing for my card, which is right here, and I created this on live with my pink cardstock and some paper from a paper pad that I was already using. And let me see if I have it. Yeah. Well, this is just the cover of it, but the Boutique Market. That is what I'm going to use. Now I'm going to slide this over so I can use a better groove to mark my, I think I'm going to give it 4 1/8. The card width is 4 inches, but I want to be able to put the card in and take it out also. So that is what I got. So I scored my 12 by 12 cardstock at 1 1/2 inches, and it should be 5 5/8 inches. I don't want to use that because the fold where the board folds in half, it's not that reliable. Okay, and so I'm going to score the bottom. I'm going to turn this. This is my bottom right here, and I'm going to score it at 1 1/2 also, and you'll see why. Okay, so now I have the box, one side of it. My card is 9 inches, so I'm going to put this mark at this mark, the first score that we did for the side measurement, at the 9-inch mark, and then score. Let's see, it should be I guess I'll be scoring at the 9-inch. Oops. Okay. So you guys can see what it looks like. Alright. And then my side here needs to be 1 1/2 inches, the side wall. So this part here, I need it also on this side. So I'm going to mark it here, giving me a width of 1 1/2 inches right here. From this score mark to this score mark is 1 1/2 inches. All right, now you see that's the wall. Then we have to make our lid, and whatever is left over will be the front flap of the box envelope. Okay, so here I think it was 4 1/4. Let me see. Or was it 4 1/8? Nope, it was, yeah, 4 1/8. I'm gonna line this up here. Just making the box around my card, and there's my front flap. Okay. All right. Now to turn this into a box, we want, I'm going to snip this here since it's already, I'm going to cut this edge here just to where the lines intersect, and then I'm going to make my triangle cut. Okay. Now you'll see this is the front, whichever one you want. Okay. It'll come together and it'll make more sense in a minute. All right, so now I have to cut this edge right on that score mark. Okay. A lot of back and forth, but I apologize for. I've never made this before. I'm just making it now. I usually build a box around whatever I made. So I just cut that at the 1.5 inch. So that is our tabs. Cut it straight, and then cut this triangle out. And then cut straight on the crease, and then cut this triangle out. Just need a sliver. Okay. So now this is our lid. You'll see it come together. It look like this. And look like this. And there's our lid right there. And the reason I'm making a box is because I made flowers on my card, and you can't really stick them into that. So now, cut this side here as straight as I can, and then cut a sliver on this tab right there. And do the same here. All right, and then this is the front lid. It's not an envelope; it's just a box. Yeah. Okay. So let's glue these down so you guys can see the actual. I don't want to use hot glue, do I? Actually, I will use hot glue. It's faster. Okay. I'm gonna do this tab here. And just line it up. A good old box. That's all there is to it. So now I'll do this tab onto this side. There's some bumps in my little grid. It's a pretty big box. I mean, I could have made it smaller, but it is what it is. Now it looks like a donut box. Okay. All right, so you see that our lip of the box is skinnier than the side of our box. It's okay if it's skinny. We're going to take this edge, that way the box can open and shut easily. Cut right to that corner. And we're going to trim this right here. Fold this back. It shows you how much we need to trim. Longer scissors. Okay guys, just like that. Alright, and now I'm going to glue this to the inside. And that's it. That is my little box. My little box. For my card. And it fits in there perfect. Oh, yay, yay. Okay, that is my card. Why is that tight? Alright guys. Okay guys, so I came back to show you what I added. So my box is a little deep, so I'm going to add some goodies underneath, and the card itself is going to sit right up on top, just like that, and this baby is ready to go in the mail, just like that. I'm going to put a little bit of decorations up on top, and maybe some trim around here on the side of the lid, but that's about it. Her entry requirement is to make a card, and oops, I forgot to put a little belly band. To make a card and put your information in the card, and you can also write your note if you want to write a note to her, which I will. This is to celebrate her 50th birthday, so this is what I created. I got a little bit of help from my friends on my live today. They pretty much guided me to make my card, and this is what we came up with. So I know Wandy loves flowers and pink, So I used some of my flowers from my stash, and these are all pinks and lavender and gold. I used some paper cardstock from Michael's Paper Pad. This is, what is this, Boutique Market? Yeah, I'm hoping I'm right. That's from a D-stash that I got some paper from. I used some of that gold foil paper that I just hauled from Hobby Lobby. And then this is just a puffy sticker that I used. This is a Tuesday morning like stickers. This one right here. And I got it, I don't know, a long time ago already. Yep, but they're just stickers, and it's a recollection. I don't know. There's no name or collection. So I got that from Tuesday morning. So I I made a somewhat of a flower box simulation right here. Made it real small, so it's a piece of cardstock that's cut to 4 1/4 by, I think this is 2.5, and then I just scored it 1/8 and then 1/4, 1/8 and 1/4 on 3 sides, and that gives us the little box effect. And then I used some ribbon that I hauled from Walmart to make that little flower box effect on here. It's like a crisscross ribbon. It's an Offray brand, and I got it from Walmart. And there's a little bit of that gold paper in the background also behind the ribbon. And all of these flowers are from a D-stash haul that I got off of YouTube. I love it, especially these little dangly flowers right here. It's so cute. And then some of the flower stems had like pearls and sprays of pearls on them, so I just cut them down and added it all the way around. We did add some green vine that I got from Hobby Lobby. Oh, you know, it looks like this. It's from the wedding section in Hobby Lobby. And then I added some of the Dollar Tree like pearl wrap. Looks like this. Yeah, pearl wrap, exactly what I said. And that was like to give it like an effect, like a lattice effect in the background, because it is a flower box, right? Okay, so that is my card, and the inside is blank because I haven't written my note and all my info on there, and I still need to put handmade by on here also. Okay, so I couldn't just send it in an envelope because of all the dimensions, so I created a box, and I used the same cardstock that I made the card with. And the cardstock, I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it was half off, so half of 5 something. Yep, it was like $2.50, something like that. And then I used some of the same puffy stickers from the same collection. I added Dollar Tree pearls. Where did it go? I just had it. But anyway, you know, these are the Dollar Tree pearls. Everybody's hauled it. It's the sticky back on the bottom behind it. I cannot talk, guys. This is elastic trim that I hauled from Walmart also, and I used that to make a closure just to keep the box secure and all the goodies won't come out. I layered behind the paper some of this tulle. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, and it's got bigger pieces of glitter. And I just layered it behind the card right here and stitched it together, and then I glued it onto the top of the box. And then for the edging, I went around with that elastic ribbon again, and I added more of the Walmart ribbon, which is this right here. It's the Offray brand. It's a metallic pink. Okay, you guys can't see that, but there. It's also in the Walmart craft section where the sewing and ribbons and stuff are located. So if you have that in your Walmart, that's where it's at. And then I opened this up. Okay, this is the inside. I added like a lip to raise my card up because this box is way too deep for this. I mean, it has dimension, but I made it too big. So you raise this up, it opens up like that, and I put in some flowers and some beads, some foliage in here just for, you know, to share with her. And I taped the beads in the bags on the bottom. I taped it to the bottom of the box. That way it will stay still and it won't shift around in the mail. And then I just hand wrote this hello friend on a piece of scrap, and I cut it with my edge scissors, and that is it. So this goes in just like this. It fits perfect, like a glove. And then you close the box up like that, and the elastic goes underneath like that, and it keeps my card and the goodies all in place. Now all I have to do after I sign it and put my handmade on there is put it in an envelope, a bubble envelope, and send it off. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this project share, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.